Now say hi.
Hi, Grandma Shay. I love you and I miss you.
And we can't wait to see you in July.
For you. And, I miss you a lot. I love you, Grandma.
Go get in the picture, Colin, so Grandma Shay can see you.
And my mom is coming to see you. Yeah, and Shelby is my little baby sister. And I love her very much, and she's a wiggle worm. I can't see Grandma.
Go sit with Aiden.
I can't see.
Tell her how you're doing in school.
I'm good. I'm doing good in school, and Boehner just pinched me, and I'm okay.
Colin, go sit with Aiden.
Love you very much. And our dog Nora, you haven't seen, and your dog Betchen, you haven't seen. We're getting big, and my fish tank is in my room now because Mom and Dad moved it.
Yeah. Okay, go sit over with Aiden and tell Grandma Shay. Say we love you.
I love you, Grandma Shay.
Say Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day.
Blow her kisses. Go mwah.
Mwah.
Oh, Shelby, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Say it again, Janer. Janer, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Get your hands off her.